Come inside. Good afternoon. So it is Monday. Yes, Monday na ulit guys. Work na naman. And it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon. So we're taking lunch break. Check muna natin yung mailbox. Wala man guys. Ay, wala may mail para sa ato. So it's 1 o'clock and Mike and I decided to take our lunch break together again. Anak, oh. Anak. Hello. Say hi, Sabo. Ayan si Paris natin guys, oh. Maglalakad lang kami as always. Kinukuha lang ni Daddy yung pram sa boot ng sasakyan. Ay, shush! Wait sa anak. Oy, wait sa ba? Ayan. Climb na. Come na, you're a big girl naman. Sige na.
Climb so Daddy can push.
Good job. Where are you going, Nak? Are you gonna get tea? Are you gonna get tea? Egg? Okay. If you're good, then maybe. Sama kaming mag-lunch today guys kasi apart from maganda yung araw, kita nyo naman nakalabas si haring araw. Yeah, apart from that, kasi para masama namin si Paris kasi bukas guys Paris is going back to the childcare. So pag lunch break hindi namin siya makakasama kasi nandun na siya sa sa favorite place niya kung saan siya maglalaro and where she is learning. Makakasama namin siya ulit for lunch sa Friday kasi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday lang siya sa childcare. Yan ang bata gusto magpabili ng ice cream, oh. Oh, just have baby chino, Nak.
What else can I get?
Was it the super show or the ciabatta? Ciabatta.
Come inside.
What can get up the such thing? Thanks. What are you got?
Ito yung coffees namin guys. Ayan guys, oh. Tatlo na siya. Super cute yung isa. And the baby here is... Yeah, okay. We'll tell Daddy that to buy bubble. Ha? Hintay namin si Mike guys. Pumasok lang si Mike dyan, oh. Kasi may bibilhin siyang tools. Yummy na? Here's your tea, oh. Yung baby chino. No. It's hot. Blow more. Blow? Blow? Ayun nang inumin yung sa kanya. Andyan sa baba, oh. Kasi may bubbles na siya. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Pero guys, nagpapasalamat kami kay Paris, guys. Did you say thank you to Paris?
Thanks, Paris.
Pasalamat kami kay Paris, guys, kasi pera niya yung ginamit pera niya yung ginamit namin yung pambili. Diba kasi pumunta kami sa sa lola ni Mike, tsaka lolo ni Mike kahapon. And guys, mahal na mahal niya yun si Paris. Binigyan nila ng pera. Alangan naman, hindi pa naman maintindihan ni Paris kung ano yung pera. So yung tatay niya muna naghawak. Ay, binili na ng kape. Ano siya nasayo, diha. Hello people! 5:30 na siya ng hapon guys. Ang aking buhok ay very bungkag is because ganyan talaga guys pag marami kang iniisip ba, yung buhok mo parang it's going everywhere. Oh, ang dami talaga akong iniisip guys kasi yun yung may ano pa, may hinayhay pa dyan, tapos may piluon pa dun. And kakatapos ko lang mag-work guys. Pero yung computer ko is open pa rin kasi merong isang very important na email na hinihintay ko guys. So, although tapos akong mag-work ng 5 o'clock, I just leave my laptop open para makita ko and then I can action it straight away. Alam niyo yun? Nandito rin kay Mike guys, so open pa rin. Wala pala dito si Mike tsaka si Paris guys kasi Mike took Paris to the park para maglaro ng bubbles niya kanina na binili ni Mike sa shop. And now, kasi ngayon nga lang ako natapos guys, ito yung piluin natin guys. Oh, hala, digit siya mahuman guys. Grabe na jud. Hinahanap ko pala yung bag guys ni Paris para sa childcare kasi nga 'di ba? I mentioned to you before bakit ang ngit-ngit dito is ay andito. Kasi nga babalik na si Paris sa childcare tomorrow. Starting tomorrow. So, andito yung bag niya kasi ilalagay ko dito yung mga kailangan niya sa childcare guys. Like extra clothes, water bottle and everything. Yung parang pupunta din talaga siya sa school guys ba. So, kasi nga 'di ba matagal na siyang hindi nakapunta ng childcare. Like almost 3 months na rin. So, ayan. So, I'll pack it tonight. And for now, I think Mike's going to cook something for dinner. And yan pa guys, oh. Nag-edit ako ng video ko for tonight. So, hindi pa siya tapos, guys. Oh my God, there's so much things to do. Hi! Nandito na ang ating bata. Yes, that's your bag for tomorrow, honey. Mama's getting it ready. Are you excited? Yeah, where are you going tomorrow? Yeah, excited siya, guys. Nakita niya yung bag. Come here, kiss Mama B. How was the park?
Mommy, I'm gonna play in the park.
Did you play at the park? Good job. Kiss tayo sa mama. Good. I love you.
Thank you.
Sitting down?
Sit down, big girl. Good girl mo na mong baby, oy. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Don't be naughty, ano? Say hello, everyone. Say hello ba? Hi. Are you going to school tomorrow?
Toys?
Yeah, toys and
Toys.
toys and see your friends.
I love bed.
Yeah, and play with the
I play castle.
yeah, that's right, sandcastle. Sandcastle, and you're gonna read a book. Brown bear, brown bear. What do you?
No. I should talk.
Ice cream truck.
I should talk.
What did you do at the park now?
I play the park.
Did you play at the park with Daddy?
Ice.
Ice.
Okay, ready?
Kasi good girl siya, guys. Kaya meron siyang ice.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Happy Daddy.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I Daddy.
Kiss Daddy.
Ang bait-bait niya yan, guys. Basta may ice. Yay!
Shut pa.
Yummy? Yummy? Wow. Ito pala siya, guys. Hindi talaga ito siya ice drop. Ano lang to siya, parang si Mike yung nagawa nito. Yung water lang ba, tsaka color. Ayan. So, it's basically tubig lang siya, guys. Hindi siya yung ano talaga, yung ice cream. Nak ba?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah! Kasi mahilig kasi siya yan, guys. Kaya nakaisip kami ng ganyan. Magandang paraan. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Give some to mama? Yan guys, luto muna tayo ng kanin. Oy. Ayan, may bigas tayo dyan. And ito pala yung kinuha namin sa sa lola niya kahapon. Mga lemon. Oh, di ba? Masarap yun guys. Masarap talaga basta free. So guys, may hugasin kami dyan, Tapos tutulungan ako ni Paris ngayon na maghugas ng pinggan. Dito natin lagay si Paris, guys. Yay! Ayan, kasi tutulong yan siya maghugas ng pinggan. sobrang sarap nito. Marami na naman akong makakain nito ngayon. Luto na ang ating kanin is. Ayan, oh, it's cooking. I know, it's warming na pala. So, hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa room with Paris. Say hi guys! Make-up si Paris. But, nandito kami ngayon kasi nire-ready ko na yung mga dadalhin niya bukas. So, ito yung bag niya bukas para sa childcare niya. Yan, very cute, no? So, ngayon, yung pinapadala ko sa kanya sa childcare, guys, is yung isang parisan lang ng damit. So, ito yung ipapadala ko sa kanya para bukas. Ayan. So, in case lang na mabasa siya or dirty siya, sila yung magbibihis sa kanya doon. So, ganito lang. Parang comfy lang ng mga damit niya. So, long sleeve na shirt, tapos itong tracksuit pants. So, ayan lang yung papadala ko sa kanya. And, tawag dito?
Mommy!
Water bottle din pala,
Mommy!
pero bukas ko na ilalagay.
Mommy!
Yeah? What's that? Para fresh yung tubig na dadalhin niya. So, yung bag niya guys, yan lang talaga yung laman. Kasi hindi nila kailangan ng nappies or wipes or anything like that. Kasi they supply everything guys. From the nappy, from the wipes, from the food, everything sinusupply nila. So, yung pinapadala lang talaga namin is yung clothes lang. And, hindi pala namin inuwi yung yung hat niya. So, nandun lang yun. Kasi kailangan nilang mag-hat pag lumabas sila. Kasi nga, diba, yung sun is very harsh dito sa Australia. So, they have to keep their skin from the sun. And ito, nire-ready ko na rin yung mga damit niya, guys, para bukas. Obviously, yung nappy niya. And, gusto ko komportable lang siya bukas, guys. So, ayan yung shoes niya. And, ito yung papasuot ko sa kanya bukas, jeans. Mataga ka diha, anak, ha? Ano na pala, guys? Uy, 8:20 na. Ipapatulog ko na si Paris soon. Kasi, early yan siya bukas. So, ito yung jeans na ipapasuot ko sa kanya, guys. Tingnan niyo, very maliit, no? Super cute. Ayan, so yan yung jeans. Tapos, sa pailalim niya is ito kasi nga 'di ba maginaw. So this one will keep her warm. Yan sa ilalim. Tapos papasuot ko lang siya ng ito guys. Yung jacket niya na ganyan. Kasi makapal din naman to guys, oh. So magiging comfortable siya nito bukas. So yun na yun. As mentioned before guys, 3 araw si Paris sa childcare. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sa childcare siya. And then Monday, Friday, dito siya sa bahay. Nandito pa naman kami ni Mike sa bahay, guys. So, both Mike and I are still working from home, guys. But we really thought that it's a great thing to do na ibalik si Paris sa childcare. Kasi nga, we know that she loves learning and she loves going out. She loves being with friends. So, parang mababaguhan kami nito bukas, guys. Kasi, pag lunch break, di ba? Pag lunch break kami, lumalabas kami. And then, pag nasa, childcare siya, kami lang dalawa ni Mike. So, it will be really different. But bukas, yung mga kalat dito sa bahay, may time na tayo para linisin.
It's a big one.
A big one. Do you want Mama to open? There you go. So, yun lang yung video natin for today, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo. And, again, as usual, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers natin and sa lahat ng mga nag-comment. Magsha-shoutout tayo guys ha, very quickly. Do you wanna read it for Mama?
Read the book.
So shout out to sis Loving Woman, Los Viminda Pulido, Mylene Fernandez, Maribel Patiag, Christine Joy Tabak, Little Miss Isay, Mirasol Dayaw, Lohan Pasadas, April Rose Romero, Lolis Family, hello Day, Bing Salve Salan, Jojo Molina. So sabi niya guys, sad po ako nung di niya nabanggit name ko. So hindi ko kasi alam na Maselma Gistrado yung pangalan mo. Sorry, Sisi. So, ang alam ko lang is Jojo Molina. So, shout out, Charis Malibiran. Bibilisan ko na guys. Okay, meron nang magdididi. Red Sibial, Elia Telmi, Rosemary Romuar, Ched Chari Aguilar, Isaac Kuambot, Claudine Samson Peterson, Argel Tapal, Rosette Pasyente, Teresa Leonor, Jenaline Vlogs, Maria Julieta Centino, Richard Antiga, Janet Gordon, Rizalyn May Bating, Sofia Mangilin, Jillian Barona, Lizelle Iga, Michay Cads, Jenny Cass, Mary Chris Relodge, and Junray Gikan. Thank you all guys for watching. As always, I appreciate you all. Salamat talaga sa oras na nilalaan nyo sa ating mga videos. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!